Hello, I'm Sana. So today I'll be telling you top 10 points as to why Digital Discovery Institute is the best platform to learn digital marketing training course. So firstly, in order to set a benchmark in the digital marketing industry, DDI is the most innovative training center which is located in Mohali. We give online and offline trainings to students covering topics of SEO, PPC, content writing and many more. Secondly, we give advanced certification in digital marketing and communication. Thirdly, we give online live training, one-on-one training, internship program, then working on live projects, self-paced video, recorded lectures where students can learn as per their own convenient time and flexible hours. Number 4, we also provide Google certificate to students. Like many students say that they want to have the certification from Google, so that provision is also available in our company. Besides, we giving certificate from our own company, that is SEO Discovery. Number 5, EMIs option is also available. Like students who can't pay in one go, then we offer them EMIs option so that they don't feel any kind of burden to go for the payment process and they can easily understand and go on with their training process. Number 6, we in the in-campus training, students gain hand-on skills on working on the live projects. So what all theoretical knowledge they gain, they implement practicality also, so they get to know all the digital marketing parameters, techniques in a more understanding manner. Number 7, students also master the tools in Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Moz, SEMrush, LinkedIn ads, Bing ads. So they get to know all the parameters of digital marketing in detail, which enhance their knowledge as well as skills in a much deeper level. Number 8, you can also see that our learners working at the top companies like Mandy Web Design, SEO developers, Social Cubicle, Indian Silicon Valley. Point number 9, guest lectures are also provided by the project managers to students, which help them to increase their knowledge day by day on the digital marketing parameters. Point number 10, we cover all the major topics right from the introduction to digital marketing, then search engine optimization, content marketing, affiliate marketing, guest posting, blog commenting, website design development. So all the parameters regarding digital marketing course are covered at the Digital Discovery Institute, and our syllabus is designed in such a way, structured in such a way that we make the student industry ready. So if you guys are looking to have the best digital marketing training course, then kindly contact on the below mentioned number. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.